Well folks, this is my DIY plasterboard lifter. I've made several of these over the years and I've lifted hundreds of boards with them. I like working on my own. So all you do, it's like an artist's easel, you plonk your piece of plasterboard on there, lift the frame up to the ceiling, go up your ladder and put a stick under to support the board. Easy. A couple of little pointers. Make the front legs at least out of fairly substantial stuff, because I once made one that was a bit too flimsy and it was difficult to work with. Don't put a brace along the bottom of the front legs because they impede the use of your step ladder. And because the legs of these things are longer than the height of the ceiling of the room that you will be working in, they're quite difficult to take down and manoeuvre. So I use loose pin hinges so I can whip the pins out and lower it down. And if you make it in the fashion of a wooden step ladder, hinged from the outside, just like this, you can get at those hinges easily to remove the pins, and it also means that the back legs can be shorter than the height of the ceiling, which is good, because then it means you only have one frame that is slightly difficult to manoeuvre. Now it's great, keep it simple, just make a new one when you need one. I once made a really nice one with proper joints and adjustable legs, and the plasterer on the job that I was working on was really impressed with it, and when we'd finished the job he asked me what I was doing with it, and I was so flattered. I said, well, you can have it if you want it. So he put it in his van, and I found out some months later that he didn't want a plasterboard lifter at all he wanted was some firewood. So it serves me right for being flattered. As easy as that. For raising the first piece and the last piece, all you need to do is use the device without its back legs on, leaned against the wall. Last one.